The Ancient Mariner is a cocktail by Beachbum Berry that has become synonymous with his name. It's like one of his trademark cocktails. I'm excited to try it tonight. My name is Spike, and on my other channel, I've made over 200 different tiki cocktails right here in my home tiki bar, The Breezeway. On that channel, we've gone to home tiki bars, we've done interviews, we've gone to some of the most incredible commercial tiki bars in the world. But this channel is all about the recipes. So welcome to Tiki Cocktails with Spike.
Tiki Cocktails with Spike.
Happy to have you here. Okay, so for this drink, we're gonna be using lime juice, white grapefruit juice, simple syrup, pimiento or allspice dram, dark Jamaican rum. I'm gonna be using Hamilton Pot Still Black, and Hamilton 86 Demerara rum. Now, if you don't have the Hamilton Pot Still Black, you can use something like Myers, Karuba, any kind of aged Jamaican rum. And as for the Demerara rum, something like El Dorado would work, that kind of thing. It just has to be a Demerara. Okay, let's make the drink. Let's start with the lime juice. 3/4 ounce of lime juice. 1/2 ounce of grapefruit juice. How you guys doing out there, by the way? Having a good day? I'm about to have an ancient mariner. It sounds like I'm about to have a sexual encounter with an old seaman. I'm not. 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Okay, we are going to be using 1/4 ounce of allspice dram. It's like the flavors of clove, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Hoo-hoo-hoo. And then we are going to do 1 ounce each of the rums. Let's start with the Hamilton 86, the Demerara rum. What do you think about corks? I'm for them. And 1 ounce of dark Jamaican rum. Hamilton Pot Still Black is probably a little funkier than Beachbum Berry intended, but I do love a funky Jamaican. Sounds funny too, doesn't it? Okay, so we're gonna add some ice, and we are going to shake. Tin is frosty and cold. And we're gonna pour into a vintage little Hawaiiana glass. Now I have a giveaway for you, so don't go anywhere. Let's top it off with more ice. Beat it. And we're gonna garnish with a mint sprig. This is a really nice mint sprig. Usually I don't like to skimp the mint. Oh dude, I never like to skimp the mint. What am I talking about? I was gonna make an excuse. Sometimes it needs to be a little bit more delicate, but you never wanna skimp the mint. Here we go, that's pretty good. It's like a nice little bouquet. We are going to add in a straw from Surfside Sips. If you're interested in these glass bamboo looking straws, go to surfsidesips.com, enter Breezeway in the coupon code, get a little discount on a Surfside Sips glass straw. You won't regret it, dude. They're super good. And we're gonna add a hanging lantern to show the way home for the Ancient Mariner. Okay, before I taste this, I want to do a giveaway. Dude, look at this. The Plunders mug, designed by my buddy Tank from Tiki Farm. So rad. It's so rad. Look at all of the intricate details. There is an AR, augmented reality map on the back here that plays a little animation on your phone if you use Snapchat. Dude, it's a great, great mug. Beautiful sculpt. I can't believe I'm gonna give it away. But the worst thing that an ancient mariner would want to come across is pirates. So, it must go. So, the way to enter, share the story on your Instagram stories or on Facebook. Tag at Tiki Cocktails with Spike on Instagram. Let me know that you're entering the contest. Leave a message in the comments below that say Plunders, so I know that you're entered. Now I'm gonna go back and check all those things to make sure that you did them. So for the next 2 days, I'm gonna be collecting entries, and then I will announce the winner on the following Friday on the Instagram Live of the Hula Girls. At the Hula Girls. Yeah, the Breezeway Show. Sunday at midnight is the deadline, so enter to win. I wish you luck and good fortune Sounds like some piratey thing to say, I guess. I don't know. Dude, I gotta say something about this glass. I had a whole set of these things. They're hand-painted vintage glasses. It's like a topless hula girl on here. For some dumb reason, I put them in the dishwasher and like half of them got totally destroyed. I hate it when I'm the one who destroys the thing that's lasted like 70 years. I apologize to whoever hand-painted these hula girls on here, but this one is still kind of hanging on. I'm just so careful with these things. Well, with this one, when I wash it, hand wash it, don't even get water on the outside. It's like, it's a whole thing. Okay, I'm gonna taste this cocktail, and after I'm done tasting it, I'm gonna let you know that if I ordered this in a bar, would I order it again? So, from Beachbum Berry, this is the Ancient Mariner. Ooh, it's complex. Immediately you get the tartness of the lime juice and the grapefruit juice. There's a hint of the allspice, but it's so far in the back. It's just kind of like, it's dancing. This cocktail is really a story of the rums. The lime juice and grapefruit juice is an interesting choice to blend tart citruses together. It's a good drink. I don't think it's a cocktail that people new to Tiki would like absolutely love, but for somebody who has had 200 something cocktails, I like that a lot. It's really good. If I ordered that in a bar, would I order it again? Yeah, I think I would. It's a good drink. It would help if it was garnished precisely like this. So if you ever find your way to New Orleans, go to Latitude 29. I'm certain this is on their menu. It's Beachbum Berry's place. By the way, go and buy all of Beachbum Berry's books and his Total Tiki app. He was the guy who resurrected and brought back a lot of these Tiki cocktails before they became so common and mainstream. It's really due to him. So cheers to Beachbum Berry. Now, if you enjoyed this episode, click on this link right here because this next cocktail has its own story. Aloha.